Hello everyone, today I'm going to be simply teaching you how you can check your Facebook old memories. So first of all, if you don't know what memories is, I will tell you exactly what that is. So let's take, for example, you went to Thailand on December 2010, and then let's just say today is December 2020. So what that says is you went to Thailand 10 years ago, but in the exact same day. Let's just say you have posted some photos on December 2010. So what Facebook will do is show you the memory of today, which was 10 years back. And basically it is a memory for you and Facebook. So in order to see the memories if you are logged in onto your Facebook, on the left side of the page you can see there are many buttons, which are your username, profile itself, COVID-19 information center, your friends, the groups you're in, watch and events, memories saved, and there are a couple more. But as you can see, there is a memories tab over here. I want you to click on it. Finally, once you click on it, if the day you have clicked on memories, if you had photos uploaded a couple year back or months back on the same day by visiting some places or meeting some people, Facebook will show it as memory right over here. But for me, as you can see, there is no memories today. As you can see, it's also written there aren't many memories to see or share today, but will let you know when you have some to look back on. So it's basically updating every day, and if you had some photos posted on the same day as today but many years back or months back, Facebook will simply just show you on this tab. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.